Hello guys, our channel name is Damascus Bros, and today we're gonna rank all the six shoguns in uh free for all matches. So, like, what my idea is that we'll rank these all without any attachment. So, what we'll do, we'll remove every single attachment from these guns and then we will rank them. We are doing like that so that uh, you know uh, we get the original quality of the gun, not with attachment, because with attachments they are just everything is different. So in this video there may be some things that you will feel that they are not cool, that's not right, so you can comment them down below in the suggestions. So let's begin. So, guys, on the sixth position, we have the striker. Now, this gun is not good because, first of all, it has 12 bullets in its mag and it needs like 2 to 3 bullets to kill. And also, you know, its reload. See, it's so slow that the person can kill you. See, like that. So, it's not that good. Like, see, even if you start killing the person, then also it's so slow. So now on the you know fifth position we have the Echo. This gun is not cool. It's See guys, it's not that fast, and also its range is also not that good. Plus, its reload is the mag reload, which makes it better than the striker, or it would have been a second striker, just the name would have been different. The only the mag, like the reload, makes it a bit different. I got killed. Yup. So now, um, you know, see guys, gravity spike. On the third, no, on the fourth position, we have the HS. Now this gun is all in all good because it's a bit one shot one kill. Uh, yeah, but it's again it's reload. It's not that good because it's very slow. I got killed. Great, because I'm using the freaking shotguns. So yeah, and guys, see it's reload. See, it's so slow. For 3 bullets only it needs like 2 to 4 seconds, which is very slow in comparison to other shotguns which are better than this. Oh gosh, how many guys are there? I can't kill each and every one of them. Now on okay, so the match is over. On the you know third position, um we have uh you know HS126. Yeah, that gun is good, but after I used it like more times, it became bad. Yes, because it has a burst of 3 bullets. It always needs 2 to 3 bullets to kill the person, and then also uh, that gun, it it is like you know the ads, the recoil is very much in the HS126. In this gun, the recoil And also it is very slow to kill other people. Let me show you some kills with the gun so that you can understand it properly. The HS, its ads is not good. You must be thinking that it's so cool with other red dot thing which is there, but when I show you with the ads, see guys, it is not very cool as such. And also the burst in it makes it a bit slow, plus the reload, that's good, so that's why I didn't uh, like, see guys, in the middle of the burst there is so much gap that the person can kill you easily. The reload is also not that great, but it's greater than the striker and the other guns like the HS 0405. So yeah, but all in all, it's on the third position and it's kinda good. Now on the second position, we have the BY-15. This gun is an absolute beast. The ads in it is very good, and also it's most of the time it's one kill. Now the reason I put this at second was because of its the action and also the reload. Like the action in it is not that cool, means it reloads, like it goes forward and then it does something like I can't explain it properly. And also its range, the range is not that good. Like just now I tried to kill that guy, but because of the range I couldn't. But all in all, this gun is good. Like, see, if I shoot like this, see, it moves the reloader back and forth. And also its adds is very slow. Like, but in most of the shotgun is slow only, so that's not a problem. Uh, Now on the first position, as you guys know, is the KRM 262. This gun is very, very cool. I really like this. And its reload too is so fast, and also most of the times it's a one shot. And its mobility is so cool that you can move it in any part of the map in any time you want. Now let me complete this match, and after I complete it, that will be the end of the video. So yeah, these were all the best guns. I think I had the rankings. They are according to my opinion, like after I used them. uh yeah, and the KRM's reload is also very, 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 very fast. It's the fastest in shotguns, I guess. So yeah, that's it for this episode. If you think that my rankings are a bit wrong, then you can always tell in the comment section down below. Like the video, comment, as I told, share to your friends and to other people, and also subscribe to our channel. And of course, goodbye.